So here we have the Kia Sportage on a 69 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you inside the boot, and then we'll jump in and run through some controls from there. As we approach the back of the car, you'll see we have reversing sensors. This car's also got a full colour reversing camera. Loads of boot space, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat. And then underneath this tray section, even more space should you need it. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the Rev Counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the middle, you can see the total miles for the car. They are 5,118. Above that, we currently have being displayed a digital readout for the speedometer. You can change the information that's displayed there by using buttons on the steering wheel, and there are various menus available to you. So satellite navigation, your kind of vehicle settings, user settings, and then back round to the menu that we started on a moment ago, where you can have fuel and trip computer information, or that digital readout that we showed you right at the beginning. We back out to the steering wheel. On the left-hand side, we have controls for your phone and stereo controls. And on the right-hand side, we have the buttons for the trip computer, as well as cruise control and speed limiter. Over in the center is the touchscreen for the car. So this, amongst other things, is where you would pair your phone. Hit all menus, and you'll get the main menu for the car. From there, you'll see that you're able to pair your phone. You can listen to your music. So with regards to the radio, first of all, we have DAB, FM, and AM radio. If you're listening to your own music, you can do. You can either do it the way I'm doing it, or you can use the buttons that appear directly below this screen. So you'd press media, for example. Media currently is grayed out because nothing is connected. You can stream your music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio. You can also connect up a USB device and listen to your music that way. If you connect your smartphone via USB, you'll see this car has got Android Auto and Apple CarPlay available. We've done videos showing how Apple CarPlay works that you can find on our website and on our YouTube channel, and the same with the satellite navigation as well. There's a couple of videos showing how both of those things work. If we pop the car into reverse, you'll see the full colour reversing camera that I mentioned previously, as well as, of course, the parking sensors that you could hear. Working our way down, we've got the dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the passenger temperature and the driver temperature individually. You can adjust the direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. You can increase and decrease the fan speed from here. When you're happy with those settings, this button turns the air conditioning on and off. Or you can hit auto, and the car will take control of the fan speed and the direction of the air to maintain the temperatures you've asked for. In terms of the temperatures you ask for, any adjustments that you make down here will show temporarily along the very top of your screen just there, so you'll know the exact temperature you've already selected. Underneath that section, we have a heated passenger seat and a heated driver's seat, both with 3 different heat settings on each. We have a cigar lighter or a 12-volt charging socket. You can use it for that as well. USB input and a second 12-volt charging socket. We have a 6-speed manual gearbox. And then next to that, we're able to turn the parking sensors on and off. And this button will turn on and off the downhill brake control. So if you give that button a push, and I'll show you up here, you'll see it says downhill brake control on. Push it again, and that will go off. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.